Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a comparison of this Longchamp Le Playage coin purse and this Coach mini Boxy cosmetic case. But before I get started, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I put out a lot of videos about contemporary designer handbags like Coach, Michael Kors, Fossil, Longchamp, as well as some luxury items like Gucci, Burberry, and Goyard. And if you end up liking this video, please do give me a thumbs up down below. So, like I said, this is my Longchamp Le Playage coin purse. I purchased it in April of 2019 for $50, and this is the Coach Mini Boxy Cosmetic Case. I purchased this in May of 2021 in a set with a small Boxy cosmetic pouch as well for $45. So I basically got two of these for the price of one of these. I want to compare them today because they do kind of remind me of each other in some sense. They're both these kind of mini SLGs that are kind of deep or wide in some sense. They both have kind of a tight opening, so I do think that they are kind of similar and maybe could serve similar purposes. So just kind of starting at the obvious comparisons, obviously they're different materials. The Longchamp Le Playage coin purse is a nylon with smooth leather trim, whereas the Coach is a coated canvas that is textured. It is, plastic essentially covering fabric, so it is more durable in that sense. It's not as, it wouldn't be as prone to scratches. It might be more water repellent. And then of course the Coach item is larger. If you just, look at them side by side or front to back, whatever, the Coach one is both taller and probably a little bit deeper as well. But there's also kind of more subtle design differences between the two. So starting with the zipper, the Coach zipper does go kind of from the side to the top to the side, so it goes in kind of a U shape, versus the Longchamp one goes kind of straight across. And I thought this would be great because I would think that, a zipper that goes all the way down the sides would maybe open a little bit wider, and kind of it does, because it does have a little bit more give to pull like that, versus the Longchamp item, because it's nylon, it does open a little bit wider, but it doesn't open on the sides, obviously, because there is no zipper that goes down the sides. The other difference is the kind of bottom in the construction of the item. So the Longchamp looks like one piece of nylon that is, has one side seam here, and then the corners are folded in on themselves. You can see that there. It creates a sharp corner, which is true on, I think, all Longchamp nylon items, which I don't love because it's not great for wear and tear. The Coach one, on the other hand, does not have that folded kind of corner thing, because I think this is two different pieces of canvas, or maybe three. You have, the piece of, no, I guess it's two pieces of canvas. So you have the one piece of canvas that's kind of on the top, and then you have the one piece of canvas that's going around the body of the item. So you have a more rounded corner on the bottom, not as sharp, and hopefully not as prone to wear. The other difference that I pointed out at the beginning is the Longchamp zipper is a plastic, large, chunky zipper, versus the Coach one is a metal, kind of smaller zipper. And that is more of a feature because this is a kind of special edition coin purse. The regular coin purses do have that metal zipper that is smaller and potentially less smooth. I think the Longchamp zipper is much smoother and much nicer to unzip and zip than the Coach one. Although you can see, because of those big zipper teeth, I did get a bit of tissue paper stuck in the zipper that I can't seem to get out. So, pros and cons. Ultimately, I want to say I bought the Coach Mini Boxy cosmetic case because I thought it would be kind of a more useful version of this item. I've had this item for over 2 years. I've only used it twice because I just don't find it very useful, and I can link a video that explains why. But I was hoping that the mini cosmetic case, with its kind of what looked like would be a much wider opening and coated canvas, much more durable material, would be more useful. So I'm hoping to see kind of how I get along with this item, but I do think that they are kind of very similar. So if you're deciding between the two, obviously I prefer this one for those design features, but we'll see how it goes. So thanks guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye.